Let's take a look at how to set up a Culligan with ZeroWater Technology Pitcher for everyday use. Start by removing the filter elements and rinsing out the pitcher with warm water and gentle dish soap. Next, remove any protective packaging from the filter and rinse the outside shell for about 30 seconds. With the reservoir in place, insert the filter and twist to lock it into position. Replace the top and slide open the lid to easily fill the reservoir with cool or room temperature water from the tap. As it filters through, activate your TDS meter by pulling away the plastic tab and inserting it into the dock on the pitcher. Check the results and see that your water now has 0 dissolved solids. You'll know it's time to change out the filter when the TDS meter reads a 6 or above.